and welcome to my channel. I am Jeanette Andromeda, artist, illustrator, and maker of weird things. And today we are making a weird thing for Valentine's Day, because nothing quite says I love you like tearing your heart out of your chest and handing it to the person that you love. But you can generally only do that once or twice if you're lucky. But I do have an alternative. This pop-up card featuring an anatomical heart, Badu, Badu, which is nice and dimensional, like I hope all of you and your love lives are. But inside all of these are printables, and they are a free download, which you can find in the description below. I wanted to say thank you because there are 200 of you wonderful, lovely people who are now subscribed to my channel, and I'm very excited about the things we are going to make together, starting with this card. And just so you know, in the printables below, you will get the cover art heart, so you can write your own message or put mine in there. There's, of course, the anatomical heart itself, and nice skeleton hands to hold the anatomical heart, because nothing else really should be holding that heart, even it's so squishy and just kind of just make a mess. But anyway, what you are going to need is scissors, glue, sticks are a good choice, a precision blade if you're talking generic, or X-Acto if you go with the primo stuff like I do. Just kidding. Here's a 2-cent pencil. White jelly pen, a ruler. Metal is best because you're going to use it for straight edges. Cutting them, that is. A cutting mat, especially if you're using the X-Acto blade. It is optional, you could totally use scissors, but I found it was easier with the X-Acto blade. And yeah, get your printables out and let's do this! Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is our printed out papers. These hearts, I have my skeleton hands, 2 sheets of black paper, and a little extra scrap, and the actual anatomical heart. So the first thing we need to do is cut out our hearts. Not literally. This is metaphorical. I mean, it kind of is literal, but whatever. This is why I wanted to use the X-Acto blade, because I think it is a great tool to use. But if you're a young child, please use with supervision. You should not be playing with X-Acto blades alone. In fact, I shouldn't be playing with these alone, but whatever. Great, now we have a heart. Okay, and done. On to the next. So here we go, and done. We need a sheet of black paper for this. You're going to fold it over, match up your edges, and then from the center, press out, and then down along your edges. So now I have my ruler, and just mark it at 2 1/4 inches. So 1, 2 1/4, 4 1/2 inches. So 4, and that's 1/4, that's 1/2. 1 1/2 inches. Down here to the 4 1/2 mark, and again come in 1 1/2 inches, and just cut in along these lines. Okay, open your card up, slip a finger in under here, and then you're actually going to pop this seam up, like this. And then you pull it like this, so that it folds down inside, like that. Okay? Press that down. When you open it up, that's where the pop-up heart's gonna go. Except like this. Badu, badu. Now we need our hands. But first, we have to cut off these thumbs. So using my cutting utensil, just slide right along here. Chop. There goes one thumb. And whoops, that was a little deep, but whatever. This is art, not surgery, so don't hire me to actually amputate your thumbs off, because I won't do a good job. Put your glue on the back. Do not glue the hands yet. No gluing the hands. Start on one edge, place it down, stick it down, go up to the next corner. Now, we can add our thumbs back. And if you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, now's the time! Hey! So right where you took your thumb off, you're gonna place it back underneath. Okay? Do the same thing with the other thumb. Next, we need the frame. Now we need to add our heart. So, I'm going to take it, fold it over, and just kind of fold it in half. Just get it approximately in half, okay? And now, we're going to glue this heart to the pop-up part. Like this, okay? So that the fold of the heart matches the fold of the paper. Go. Haha! Got a pop-up part. So we're gonna just fold this closed. Press those seams down again a little bit more. Last part in here. Remember that little scrap of black paper we needed? We're going to fold it into little tiny folds. This. Okay? You're gonna want three folds. So 1, 2, 3, and then cut. A paper spring we're going to need. So you need 4 of these. So now that we have our 4 pieces, we're going to take the hand, lift it up, and then fold it backwards like that. And fold it forwards again. So now it's going to have a little lift. Do the same thing on the other hand. So now that looks pretty weird, which is why we need our springs. Stick it right under the wrist and under the fingers. Flop it forward. Press it down. Alright, we've actually got a little dimension on that. Do the same thing on the other hand. So now we need to do the back of the card. Another sheet of black paper. Now, this part you can have a little fun with. We do have these 2 hearts that we can use. So you can either just glue this on and write on it with the white gel pen, or if you don't like your handwriting, you can add Happy Valentine's Day and a little bloody heart. I am going to do the bloody heart and draw on it. So now that you have the front of the card, if you are wanting to write in a personalized message, now is the time to do it with the white jelly roll pen. Now we need to take the outside of the card and add the inside of the card. Just like last time, start with your corners and work your way across. Now we do have all of these weird looking edges on things, So we're gonna trim those off so that it looks a little bit neater. Whoops. So, don't glue in there. So when you glue this together, don't glue where the pop-up part's gonna be, otherwise it gets a little sticky at first. But as long as you catch it, you're gonna be okay. Now we have front, we have a fabulous pop-up middle, haha, and we have a back, but we need to trim it. And there you go. You have a beautiful, handmade, pop-up Valentine's Day card. But we're missing one last thing, which is a cute message and your name. So that was how to make a anatomical pop-up heart card for your Valentine. I just wanted to again remind you that all of the printables that you saw me using in this are for free for you down in the description below as a link, as well as a link to all of the materials I used. If you do end up buying anything through those links down there, thank you, because Amazon will send me a little bit of money from your purchase without any extra cost to you, so it's a nice way to help support my little growing channel. And even if you don't have someone to tear your heart out for this Valentine's Day, I've torn mine out for you. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Badu, 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 badu. Bye, dude. I'm just I'm just making weird noises now. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the bleach went to my brain. But it's worth it. Bye again.